Just imagine you go to sleep tonight and don't wake up tomorrow. Like actually game over. You still did the exact same shit as always. Did not you? Woke up, glued to your phone, scrolling for 50 minutes straight, half reacting to stories you don't even care about. Stressed over some assignments that will be pointless in 6 months and whisper to yourself, I'll get my shit together tomorrow. Then boom. Screen goes black, no reload, no second round, no redo button, just gone for real. You're not busy, you're just straight up frozen. Scared to post a version of you that actually feels honest. Scared to text the person who makes your stomach flip. Too scared to admit this degree your parents forced is slowly killing whatever fire you had left. You keep burying your actual dreams in one day, like time is your personal ATM? While it's not, it's running out and it doesn't care. Just picture it for a second. If this was really the end, would you still be doom scrolling some influencer's highlight reel? Still stuck in that friendship that sucks the soul out of you? Still waiting for some magical perfect moment that never shows the fuck up? Today might actually be it. Who knows? So stop bullshitting yourself, gang. Delete the app that's rotting your brain. Send the risky text. Start the thing that terrifies you. Feel everything. Cry harder if you need to. Laugh louder like it's the last time. Live like there's no backup plan. Because there isn't.